Version Pro will help you maintain your workstations in your Dynamics GP network. Most likely, you have additional products on each workstation beyond Dynamics GP. Even SmartList, Human Resources, and Fixed Assets are considered add-on or integrated products. Keeping track of each of the product versions can be cumbersome. Version Pro will keep track of each product installed at a system level and ensures that all workstations are on the same version for every product. This is critical as one user using an outdated version on one product can cause data corruption and downtime. If Version Pro finds an issue, you will be prompted with this window letting you know if any version conflicts are found, in this case, Auditor. The administrator will need to determine how to best resolve the issue. If the product is not installed and should be, or needs to be updated, then take the necessary steps to bring the workstation current. Otherwise, highlight the product, and then click Fix. In this window, you can click Update. The system registry is updated based on the error message. If the message is missing a product, then it's updated to indicate the product is optional. If the message is incorrect version, it will update the registry with the version of the product loaded on your workstation. Click Update, and now I can see that it was corrected. If you're interested in Version Pro or our Toolbox, please contact us at www.rocktonsoftware.com.